Hello everyone, so UV printing is amazing. I was able to print these designs onto the keycaps, but it came with a few challenges, and in today's video I'm going to go over some of the jig challenges as well as some of the fine-tuning of the colors and the software that goes into printing on flat and tilted keycaps. So the first thing is, when you have a flat keycap, it's fairly easy. You plop it into this 10x10 jig, load that jig into the printer, and Bob's your uncle, like you have the front face, the top surface printed. But how do you do the front face? The thing is, the printer prints on like a flat surface. So I went ahead and I designed these adapters that fit onto a MX stem over here, and it just moves the stem and puts it at a 45-degree angle such that when I pop the keycap in it, now this front face is flat, so I can print on it. Now the issue is, you can see it's not the most stable. There's multiple parts, and when I apply pressure, it holds like not exactly the same position. So I went ahead and I made this new jig recently that holds the keycap more consistently. It's fewer parts, so it's faster load, unload, and more consistent positioning. But the keycap would still move a bit, so I went with version 3 that has like extended sidewalls such that you can see the keycap really rests on it, and it's very well secured and located. So that handles locating the keycap in the printer. But then I had some color issues. Now you see there is a blue stripe on the right side, and on the front surface, the keycap should have been green. Like the letters should have been green like this, but here you can see the green, but the blue isn't there. Now what's happening is that I'm taking a file and going through a few softwares, and it's causing issues with the colors. Not only that, files are generally RGB, and what I needed to do is take this RGB file and convert it over there to a CYMK file, which is what the printer uses, CYMK ink. And you can see that here, this is black, while there, it is green. Now it's a very dark green, but at least it's green, and I will be able to color correct it and make it look better. So this is very good. Now I have like the hardware figured out with the jig, and the software, I am on track to figuring it out. The other thing is, if you look here, there's a bit like black spots, and those are not printer artifacts. I actually looked into the file, and there's a point where I'm exporting the file and it creates those. So I need to also like fix this on the software. But this is looking very promising and good to be able to print colorful, color accurate keycaps, and also printing on tilted surfaces. Now this whole concept also applies for keycap profiles like Shock that are tilted, like this Lame profile, where I made this keycap jig that holds them at the proper angle such that it appears flat to the printer, and then I can print. Now you can see here another example of me making a mistake of the offset and the jig, but this hopefully I will stop making these mistakes and print like fully centered. And something else you might notice is that this left one, the legends are way more dull compared to the right one, and this just has to do with, again, file management. So a lot of lessons learned. I'm making good progress, and I'll be able to get like these dull keycaps more into vibrant colors and good legends. Very excited to see where this goes. Thanks for watching. And upcoming soon is going to be tests on adding legends onto DES keycaps. I'm really looking forward to it. It's going to be a fun challenge. Thanks for watching.